Hey, how you doing? I know you want to see results, so you came to the right place. I just wanted to show you these results because they came in last night after I shot my video, and I want to show you these results right now in real time. Today is April 22nd, and it's 6:49 a.m. and it's early in the morning. And last night, after I got done with my video, I just got another sale at 11:34 p.m. It came in, and as you can see here, I got paid yesterday too, and it says receive funds notification, and it's my first payment being with this opportunity in this company, because I just got in earlier this month, and I've been in for a little bit over a week now, and I mean, I've been getting some amazing results from this, and I just wanted to share this with you because I want you to get some amazing results as well. And as you can see, right here, I'm on the leaderboards for this week, and it's really been amazing because there's so much in here you could learn. And if you're trying to build your business online, the first thing is you have to know how to do it, and you have to know what to do in order to build your business, and you have to know how to market yourself. And I mean, I only like to work with serious people. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gionta, and I was $87,000 in debt. I was stressed. I was depressed. I was working a job in fast food that I hated, and I have a condition that basically it affects my muscles and everything like that, and I couldn't work hard labor being on my feet all the time like that, and I just had to come online and find a way. And when I was $87,000 in debt, I didn't know what I was going to do. I didn't know how I was going to get out of it. I didn't know how I was going to do it. So my mentors showed me a concept that actually changed my life and allowed me to actually make money online. And I never knew if it was possible or not. I was kind of skeptical at first. I didn't know if it was possible. I didn't know if you could make money online. I didn't know if that was really a thing, until I actually got started and I positioned myself to actually win. I went all in, and I'm like, all right, I'm going to give this everything I have because I'm serious about it. This is the rest of my life. I don't get another chance. I don't get another chance to do this. This is going to be the rest of my life, and I have to make something of it, or else I'm going to always be in debt, or else I'm always going to be doing the same thing over and over and over again. I would be going to school, then going to work and paying bills, going to school, going to work and paying bills, going to school, going to work and paying bills. And I just didn't want to do that whole process anymore. It was a process that was, it was totally draining for me, and I hated working there. And I didn't want to work there anymore, and I wanted to start seeing results online. So me being able to being showed this concept, and me being open to learning about it and how to do it and actually taking action, it allowed me to actually start earning and being on the leaderboards like you see now. And it's really amazing because I just got into this. I'm not even fully set up yet. I'm trying to get through all this material because it's a lot of material. It's a lot of stuff. It's a lot of information. So when you get in here, you have to actually go through every step, but it tells you what to go through first. It tells you to watch these 3 videos. It tells you how to get connected, how to get into the Facebook group, how to join the Facebook group, how to build any business online, and then you learn about building your funnel. And if you're watching this video from YouTube, or you're watching from my email list, you're on the email list, and you got on the email list either from YouTube, Facebook, or me doing paid traffic. You got on there because you had an interest in making money online. You put in your email, because I offered something of value. You put in your email. You wanted to see what I had to offer you, and so now you're on my list. And that's how you got on, because I had a funnel builder, right? And the funnel builder is like an email list that it allows you to capture your leads, but you need something to capture it. So whenever somebody puts in their email, it's for them to find out more information about whatever you're doing. And then from there, they get a series of emails that follow up with them and build a relationship, build rapport, and tell them about whatever you have to offer, right? So you use this to build out any opportunity that you have. And then so after, in this section, when you learn all about funnels and how to build your funnels, you could get live coaching, all that stuff. We have coaching as well. In our group, we do a weekly, coaching with our members that we have, as well, me and my team, personally. And then, I also upgraded to premium, which teaches you all about traffic and conversion. So once you have your funnel set up, the first thing you want to do is get traffic and build an audience, because without an audience, you don't have a business. So you need an audience, you need traffic, and you need to know how to actually, get those people to see what you have to offer. So, pretty much all this, it shows you how to get traffic. It shows you what to do before the traffic. There's a mindset audio every single morning, every single day. We have one, and then they show you about what to watch first. They show you about keeping track. They show you about how to keep track of your passwords. And then because if you're disorganized, like I know, for the longest time I wasn't very organized. So this stuff actually really helps me a lot. And then they teach you all about free Facebook methods. So they teach you about launching your business, about giving invitations, about the follow-up, about how to get leads unlimited through Facebook, how to blog, YouTube video ranking. Like if you're watching on YouTube, you're seeing my video ranking in the top of the search engines. That's why you clicked on the video. Well, this is how I do it. And they also have podcasting. So if you like talking, then you would want to do podcasting as your marketing method. And then here is where they teach you about solo ads, which is something that I use a lot of. And then they teach you about Facebook ads and YouTube video ads, which is amazing for paid traffic, because video ads are what actually converts and builds the relationship with people that don't know you. So if you do video, you're going to get the results a lot faster. Here they teach you about how to get sales, how to track, how to get your leads, your conversion secrets, and then you could also get live coaching from there as well. And then on this section, they have a financial literacy course. So whenever you get into business and set up your business, you start getting traffic, and you have to know how to file your taxes, how to save on your money, what to actually do when you go and you file in business. And it's really cool when you file for business, because it's all online. So you have online business, so you don't have storefront, overheads like you would a storefront business. With online, you don't have those overheads. So online business is actually the way to go, in my opinion, because you don't have those overheads that you would with a storefront business. So here they teach you about financial literacy and getting rid of debt. Here they teach you all about taxes and planning for retirement, and how to save on your business, and all that stuff. And then they teach you some other guerrilla strategies that you could use to actually make money, and so you're gonna learn how to actually make money and do investments and do all that stuff, which is amazing. And this is all within this. So this teaches you everything you need to know about marketing, and I'm getting results within my first little over a week now that I've been in this opportunity. and I'm already on the leaderboard. So if I could do it, I definitely know you could do it. This allows you to actually make a residual income. So that means when you get started, you make money every single month as long as you're involved. And if you get started with me, I'm going to show you exactly how to get at least 1,000 people per month to see your opportunity. So you're not going to be sitting there, struggling, stressed, wondering how to, build your business. You're going to be able to connect with me, but you got to do the work and you got to get all in, because if you get all in, that shows me that you're serious, and that is going to allow me to actually help you. If you're not serious about your business, it's not possible for me to be serious about you, because you're not serious about your own business. So you gotta get all in. You gotta show me that you're serious, and then we could go from there. And for anybody who gets all in, like I said, I'm gonna show you how to get traffic. I'm gonna help you to actually get it going, so you understand marketing, and you're not just lost. And you have to get all in, so you're serious and you're able to earn, because you could get in at the $25 level and just have the funnel builder, but you're really not going to make a lot of money if you want to make a long-term income off of this. You actually have to get all in and invest in yourself, invest in your business, take this serious, because $20 a month is really not going to make a big difference in your life unless you want to make a lot of sales and do all that stuff. But I highly recommend to get all in, so that way you're positioned to actually earn those commissions and you don't lose those commissions, right? So if you get all in with me, I'm going to show you everything you need to know so that you can start getting results, and so that you could be on the leaderboards like I am. And I just wanted to shoot this quick video for you, so you could see that I'm having these results, and that I just got the sale again last night. So it is possible for you, and you could do this. If I could learn this stuff with no prior experience, I know you can too. So if you got value from this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and leave down in the comments exactly what I could do to help you, so that way I could respond to you and reach out. I'm on Facebook as well. You could reach out to me on Facebook. And if you're ready to get started, make sure you click on that link in the description. And the link on the description is going to take you to a capture page where you can put in your information. Just got to verify that you're not a robot, that you're actually a human and not a robot, and then it's going to take you to the page to where you could sign up and get started. All right, and I got lots more bonuses and training coming for those who join me. So I want to see you win, and that's my main goal, is to see more success stories, because I don't want to be the only one making these videos, but I want to have serious people who really want it, and if they're serious about themselves, I'm going to be serious about them. So, make sure you click on that link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.